everybody, welcome back. My name is Jacqueline. This here is Cody, my service dog. Should we let them get into this video right now? Yeah? Alright, let's do it. Hey, if you're new here, click the subscribe button, click the bell, and follow Cody on Instagram, and comment down below that you're following Cody on Instagram, and you'll get a shout out in the next video. So, I hope you guys have a great day, and check out the video. Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Jacqueline, and Cody is on my bed. Aren't you, Cody? Come on. Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Man? So, we have actually, I have a secret that I've been keeping from you guys. So, I'm going to show her to you now. Her name is Rotsy, and we are hoping she is another prospect. So, what a prospect means is, because Cody is a service dog, we are trying to see if she will pick up on what Cody does for me, and hopefully she will be a service dog. She's going to be a service dog in training. Right now she's chewing on her teething bone. I'm just trying to keep her here. And cuddles and biting on the bone. So she is very much an Aussie puppy. She's about 4 months old. I've been keeping her a secret for about a month from you guys. I'm sorry, but we've been trying to do this video. So she looks like her dad. She is a black tri Aussie. So she is, I didn't have Cody as a puppy, so having an Aussie puppy for the first time is a new experience. So we are working on, we are learning how to communicate with her, and she's just too cute to say the least. And I'll show you her. And hello. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. She likes to lick faces, and she loves wet willies. She loves to get give wet willies. So yeah, she likes to kiss your ears. Hi, Rats. And her name is Rotsy, and Cody and her are inseparable. So when we got her, Cody was with us. So she was she was more aware of what we were doing than the other one was. So she was very kind of reserved but watching. And when we got her home, she was like, okay, this is kind of cool, but I want to follow Cody around, which is a good thing. So I got some clips of them playing, so I'm going to show you them right about now. So And actually, when they play, they are so cute, right, guys? So they are just the cutest thing. So, and Cody plays so gently with her. So, and she's kind of rowdy. So she loves to play with our cat. And our cat got spayed, and she was in our cat room for the past 2 days. She was fully healed, and she has to get acclimated to the cat room because she's been living in our house. And when we got Rotzi home, she would play with the cat, play with Cody, and for the past 2 days, it was like, I don't know what to do with myself because the cat's not in the house. So she was bouncing off the walls for a couple days. And she loves to bark when she's playing. And yeah, she gets really frustrated when she cannot get on the bed, because that's the only furniture that she cannot get on right now, is because she's not big enough to do it. And Cody is big enough to get on the bed to, hey, I'm done with, go play with the cat. So she was kind of like, I'm frustrated about now. And like last night, he was kind of like, I'm done. And she was like barking, and she was a handful last night. But the cat is out today, and the only person that can catch my cat is really my mom. The cat likes my mom more than me. So, but also she's semi-feral, so that's why we kept her. So, off subject. What do you think about Rotzi? Do you love her? You love Rots? Rotzi's underneath my bed right now. I don't know why, but she loves to do that. Rotzi. Rotzi, come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're my girl. You're my girl. You're my girl. You're cute. Oh, you're my boy. What are you doing, baby boy? What are you doing? You hot? They so want to play. Rotzi is like, I want to play with you. Really badly. So I'm hoping you've had a good week and a good day, and I hope you guys stay safe. And yeah, this whole thing about being in the purple again is kind of scary. So in Riverside County, so just stay home, stay safe. I think like everything's going back to where it was in the beginning. So we have a stay-at-home order, and yeah, it's kind of interesting on how that's going out. So we will hope for the best for you and your family to stay safe and be kind to one another. And like I said in the last video, we need to stop saying I can't, but I can do it. So if you're feeling down, say I can do this. I will do this. Because the can't, it just goes through your brain of like, oh, I can't do that. Oh, I can't do that. But we can do that. And we can do anything we set our mind to. So, like I said, I am glad that you guys met Rotzi, and hopefully she puts up on for whatever Cody does. And if you want to see a video of what Cody does and training wise, I will shoot a video on that. And Cody, do you want to say bye? You want to say bye? Come here. You want to say bye? Apparently he wants to get on the bed. So I will see you guys in the next video. And what do you think about that, Cody? You want to see them in the next video? Yeah. You cute. You cute. We will see you in the next video. And Rosie will be in it as well. Love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it.